Alright, this is plane 2, the Nokumura Lock. And we're going to start this plane by folding the paper in half, hot dog style. Lining up those corners, there we go. And creasing, very nice, just like that. Yes, okay. Now, we'll take a corner here, and I'm going to fold that down so it lines up right along the bottom edge there. Precise as possible, very nice. Yes. Again, let's say you're a little off on this fold, that is fine. When you flip it over and do this fold, just fold it the same way. That way you're off equally, both left and right, and you'll have a much better overall plane. Symmetry, that's the key. Alright, good. Alright. Now that we've done that, let's unfold it. Now I'm going to take this point and fold it along this line. Completely down. There we go. Lovely. Excellent. Right, now, I'm going to take this little tab here and I'm going to fold that up. This is just a temporary fold. Because really, what I'm looking for is that spot where that line, vertical line, crosses with the horizontal line I just made from that fold. I'm going to use that line as a guide there to fold these corners right in to touch that cross. Okay, and we'll do the same thing to this side. There we go. Excellent. Make sure those creases are nice and tight. Got several thicknesses of paper. Now I'm going to take this little tab I had before and I'm going to fold it up. Not on the same fold because that'll bend these, but just up enough there so it overlaps those ends of those corner folds there. And good. Now when I flip it over and fold that in half, that little tab acts to hold all those flaps of paper together. That's going to give us a much more streamlined plane. This is called a lock, and we call this the Nokumura Lock because he's the guy that developed it. Now, I'm going to take this folded edge and line it up down here. There you go. Good. I'm going to take this edge here, line it up down there. Good, 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 good. Good. And now you're ready to go. Now this is a great little plane. It's smaller, so for kids with smaller hands, it's easier to throw and fly. Again, make sure that you fold your wings up, so when you look at it from the back, we have a nice Y, a dihedral angle going on there. Also, this is a great plane if you want to start tweaking the leading edges there, the trailing edges, I should say. If I'm gonna twist those up just a bit, that'll cause my plane to fly up when I throw it. And if we treat this like the tail section here, the rudder, I can just bend that over a bit. That'll cause my plane to go this way. Fold it to the right, it'll go that way. Fold these down, it'll go down. So if you're throwing your plane and it's dipping into the ground, then just lift those trailing edges up a bit and give it a try. So again, experiment with placement of the wings, where to hold it, and how hard to throw it. All right, thanks.